just split the splinters with a prism of release, a cold and salty water, yes, it was dripping underneath. Memory to the monster living deep inside the guts of a hero with no name and no, they never needed much. Who can tell me where I've been when you were never there? You're brilliant with your big old brain, but simply unprepared. Seasoned with the sessions, yet reality is real. It's written by the hand that feeds and read at every meal. And who is that behind the waterfall? After all, maybe there is no one there at all. The ground that you once stood on is your grave, and I pray maybe I will be with you someday. I don't need to eat, I don't need to sleep, I don't need to listen when the talk is cheap. Yeah, maybe you do, yeah, maybe you don't. Maybe you will be right there at the end of the road. There's no room for vacancy, there is no day of grace. So yes, we're walking around the galaxy, trying to find a space. The breath that I have borrowed, lest tomorrow ever push, while I'm still lighting up my cigarettes upon the burning bush. And who is it behind the waterfall? After all, maybe there is no one there at all. The ground that you once stood on is your grave, and I pray